I really hope I can drag up. Like with our bitch.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am again in Singapore. I have my batchmate with me today, so she wanted me to tag along with her to just go around and see something, buy something, because it's her first time here. This is my big check. This dress is from Little Box. This one is thrifted. I also have some jewelry. This one is so cute. This one is my fake Cartier. And you can see the view. The weather is so nice and sunny today. So it's gonna be a good day. Hoping I will see you guys. Just realized that my fit check was not proper. This dress is from Little Box. Shoes, yeah, my jewelry, my bag. Yes. Here for the shopping. Got a few stuff. I'll show you. The fish is nice. Hi, I'm currently getting ready to go to a store. It's a Max store. Actually, this is for the collab, which is gonna happen very soon. I'm going to the store to get some clothes. After that, I have to come back, film, and then send them. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I want to wear something summery, but just because men exist and I'm in Chennai, I'm thinking to wear a simple top and jeans. This is in pink color, so I am thinking to pair this with a white jeans. This is my fit, you guys. I'm wearing very simple t-shirt and a jeans. And can you see this? So cute. I just booked my cab. Cab is on the way, so I'll see you on the store. I got a fridge, guys. I did not buy it because I don't know if I'll be in Chennai for how many years, so I just rented it from Rentomozo. The fridge looks really nice. So excited because the fridge is a necessity here because the city is so damn hot. I don't have anything right now. I have ordered few stuff. I'm so excited to eat my fresh chicken, sausages, and my yogurts. Tell me I'm not the only one who drinks Horlicks. Breast, burst, my favorite bread. I hope you guys enjoyed the glimpse of my life. I will be back with another video. Till then, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Bye.